Hey, welcome to BlueTuskr's how-to videos. In this tutorial, we will walk you through on how to add a similar product on Amazon Seller Central. Do you want to sell a product that's already on Amazon? Did you know that Amazon has this product matching feature that you can take advantage of? Amazon's product matching allows you to copy almost all of the details of an existing product on Amazon. This saves you a lot of time rather than starting from scratch. Let me walk you through how to do it. Let's start by logging into Amazon Seller Central. That's sellercentral.amazon.com. Click the login button on top and enter your email or your phone number and the password of your Amazon seller account. Then click the sign in button. Once you're in the main dashboard, click the menu icon at the top left and hover your mouse to the catalog and select Add Products on the selection. Now that we're in the Add Product page, what we need to do is to get the product information. There are two ways you can do it. First one is to search for the product. You can just search the product on the search field using its keywords. This is better when you know the right keywords for a product and if your product doesn't have any similar item or variations. The second one is to obtain the ASIN number. Go to the product details page of the item that you want to sell. Locate the ASIN by clicking on the address bar. It's the one that starts with B and ends with a question mark, but don't include the question mark. Search for it on the search field. Now that you have the correct item, select the condition of the product. You have an option to create a copy and list it for your own description, or just sell the actual product. For this example, we'll sell this product using the same product descriptions. The only thing that you can change since you're selling the same exact item is the offer. This is where you can match other buyers or sell it on a lower price. On the left side, you can choose how you want it to be viewed. We now have it filtered to show the relevant information. You can show only the required information on where you can update the pricing of your item. To have an edge in winning the buy box, you can match the lowest price of that item or you can set a lower price. On the relevant view, you can specify if this is an FBA item or not. Specify the quantity if you will ship the item yourself. On the All Attributes view, a lot of fields are showing up. This is where you can set a promotional price for your item and when the product information would run. It's great for launching this new product. You can also specify a couple of things such as the maximum order, handling time, and more. This will definitely give you an edge in ranking up the search results. Once you're all set, click the Save and Finish button. The next page will ask you to specify some compliance since this is something a person needs to intake. Answer the dangerous goods information and click Submit. Again, it depends on what product are you planning to sell. Now you're all set. It's that easy to match an existing listing. We'll have different tutorial on how to replenish your Amazon FBA inventory. Till our next tutorial. Do you like this content? If you do, don't forget to like this video. Click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll get notified in our next video.